Hello everyone, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to duplicate your Shopify store. So the first thing that we need to do is simply open up your Shopify store here and log in. Now once you're logged in, go to the left hand side here and click on Add Apps. Now we click on this bottom here, go to Shopify App Store, and it will take you to this page, into another tab, and then we search for Duplify. And then right here, it should be the first one that pops up. You click on install here, and it will take you to another tab again. And we wait for that to load. You just click on install. Now once that's done loading, as you can see, it will show you a video on how to duplicate that. So I've already seen this video. Now from here, all you need to do is, for example, you want to copy this store. So for example, I want to export it. So I'll click on Start Export. And then we wait for that to load. And then if you want to export, I'm going to export data to this store. So for example, this is where I want to duplicate my data to. So for example, this is the store. This is the unique key of any store. So you copy that. And you copy it to another store that you like. So for example, I want to copy to this store to another store. So I'm just gonna paste it on another store which has Duplify also. So for example, I will click on New Export, and I'll click on Start Export again. And then right here, be sure to install Duplify on your destination store. So for example, I'm gonna just gonna copy this one for the sake of this video. So it says, whoops, you've copied the key from your source to this store, because it's the same store that I copied it to. However, if you want to export this store to another one, for example, this one, I'm just going to copy this store unique key to this one. I'm just going to paste it here. So I'm going to copy the store name and email and just export options, and then you're done. And that is it. That is how you duplicate or duplicate your store on Shopify. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.